Hey, what's up? I am Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and today I want to take a look at a few comparisons of the Godox AD600 Pro and the Neewer i6T EX 600 watts. Let's get into it. Now, this is not really like, this is a comparison, but it's not like a shootout or anything where I got both units present. And I just want to let y'all know I am a former owner of the Godox AD600. I'm a former owner of the Flashpoint 600. And but now I knew I'd use the Neewer. Now, some people might say Neewer. I don't know how you say it. I say Neewer, and that's just what it's going to be. So walk with me, y'all. But the reason I purchased this light, because to make a long story short, I don't want to give y'all a long, boring story, but I had quit photography, got rid of all my gear. And when I came back to photography, I started using the Godox. I forgot the flash. Where is it? I don't want to look for nothing right now, but I started using a Godox flash that go on top of the camera, but I was using it off camera. And I just felt it wasn't powerful enough when I started back using photography. So I knew I needed a flash, a powerful flash unit. I needed 600 watts outside because that's what I was used to from before I quit photography. So I was watching videos on YouTube. I came across this one video and I watched the entire video and I said, you know what? I don't see nothing wrong with this unit. And so I purchased it. I seen one bad comment on Facebook talking about the battery don't last long, which was completely false. The battery is good money. I'm telling you, it's good. But anyway, let's look at a few comparisons. Because I'm in a bunch of photography groups and there's people in those groups, they're looking for new lights every single week. People ask them what they want to get into flash photography, off-camera flash, and they asking, what light should I buy? What should be my first lights? They don't know. So we have a few things here. Now, between the Neewer i6T and the Godox AD600 Pro, and I'm just going, so from here on out, I'm just going to say the Neewer and the Godox. Y'all already know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what the video about. You clicked on it, so you know what I'm talking about. Now, as far as price, the Neewer, I started to say the whole name again. The Neewer is $459. The Godox is $899. And let me put this in here. The only reason that I would tell anybody to get the Godox over the Neewer, which I most likely wouldn't tell anybody, but if I was to tell anybody that, it's because the Godox has been around for a longer period of time, and their flashes communicate with more lights, and so there's more communication there between the lights that they put out and the flashes and stuff. So that's the only reason I could see telling anybody to go with the Godox over the Neewer. But I'm not trying to sway you either way. I'm just trying to tell you. And plus, I want to add in also, I am an owner of the i6T and the i4T. And it don't matter which trigger you use, it's going to flash both. All right, as far as battery life, the Neewer is 4,000 mAh, while the Godox is 2,600 mAh. So the Neewer has a longer battery. You can shoot on your battery even longer on the Neewer. Recycling time, 0.2 to 1 second on the Neewer. On the Godox, it is 0.01 to 0.9. Now, as far as battery recycling time, it's faster on the Godox. But this is so fast between both, neither one of those are going to make a difference. If anything will make a difference so far from what we read, it'll be the battery life. You want a longer battery, don't you? And you want to come out a lot cheaper. Heck, I'll pay $459 over $899 any day. All right, how many shots can I get off of full power? With the Neewer, I can get 400 shots on full power. For those of you who are new to photography, that means with the light turned all the way to its maximum capacity, all the way up, I can get 400 shots off of that. Now, if I turn the light down lower, I can get way more shots, but it's letting us know that we got the light turned all the way up. We can get 400 shots off the Neewer. On full power on the Godox AD600 Pro, we can only get 360 shots. Now, I don't know if that'll make a difference to you because some of you might not even do multiple photo shoots in a day. But even if you do like two, you can get I would say you could probably get 2 photo shoots out of that one battery. With the Neewer, I would say I could get 3 photo shoots because I may take 100, I may take a little over 100. So with those 400 shots, I'd probably say 3 photo shoots. With those 360 shots, I'd probably say 2 photo shoots. 2 photo shoots. Maybe 3. Maybe 3. It really depends on how you shoot, but I think 360 shots is really not that bad. All right, charging time. Charging time, and I ain't gonna lie, this is not that great. Charging time on a Neewer is 4 hours. That's a little long, but if you in the house for the rest of the day, that shouldn't matter. That shouldn't matter at all. Charging time on the Godox is 2 hours. That's a lot faster. So GoDucks got that. They got that point. We're not scoring right here, but GoDucks got that point. Both flash units you can fire manually. Both flash units you can use TTL. And by the way, the Neewer i6T is actually cheaper than the Godox AD400 Pro. You're getting a lot more light with this, and it's cheaper. Some people just like spending money, but I decided I couldn't follow the crowd. I got to use what I like and what's cheaper for me. And plus, the light is powerful. Matter of fact, I'm going to get another one. So both a high-speed sync, both output 600 watts. So I just wanted to go through that with y'all. And see, it ain't no long video, but it's up to you to decide what you want. If you have $8.99 to spend it. But if you're on a budget and you can only get one of these, I would say go with the Neewer. It's more budget friendly. It's $459. It's the light I have, and I don't feel like I'm missing anything by not having the Godox or the Flashpoint Explorer. I don't feel like I'm missing anything. I had the Flashpoint Explorer. I had a Godox AD600. I never had the Pro, but I don't feel like I'm missing anything because I'm getting a lot of power with this light. I'm getting more battery life. I'm getting almost the same recycling time. The charging time is a little, but once I come back in and charge my battery, I'm not going back out anyway. Oh, but by the way, I have 3 batteries, so that don't matter to me anyway. All right, I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video will help you decide which light to look at, which light to look into, which light to go get. I'll catch you on the next video.